Hello and welcome to Butler.Head.Quarters, and today I'm going to be doing something to brocade with BMW E34 540i. But first, I think we're going to a bit of a backstory. Today, I was looking on eBay after thinking about doing this exterior mod. And there's a car on eBay, an Oxford Green 525 TDS. It'd been for sale for a bit. And one night, a couple of days, I was thinking about doing this. And one night, I went on eBay, because I knew it sold, but I was trying to look at the old advert because I'd watched it. And it disappeared. I was like, I'm going to see now how it's done. So I thought, got a couple of time ago, and I opened up Facebook and went on to BMW E34 E32 Owners Club UK. And scrolled in, and long behold, the new owner was on there, and I messaged him the next day. Well, I messaged him there and then actually, and he got back the next day and sent me some pictures of this mod that he'd done to the exterior. Well, he hadn't done, he'd come from a factory, I was told, with this mod. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We are going to be adding pinstripes to the E34. Now I can hear now the size, and that's so cool. And why would you want that for? Well, I like it, and I think it's going to leave the car a bit more, I don't know, I just like it. I couldn't even explain why I'm doing it for. I just like it, and I think it might break up the colour. I don't know, but once it's done, if I don't like it, I'll rock it for a couple of weeks, and if I don't like it, I can easily take it off. Now you might be asking, why hasn't this moved up in the last video? Simply because the engine's slim bits, and I'm ashamed of that. But we are going to rock on that. Hopefully this Sunday we're going to get the engine back together and get it out for an MOT. But first of all, I'm going to have to wash the car, make sure there's no grease or nothing. So, and that's washed, and I'm not going to lie, it's about 4 days later. I have got my scissors, and I've got my tape, my gold double tape. Now I was thinking silver, I was even thinking green, but I thought gold, we should go with gold, because gold, the interior is like beige, keep it all like the same shade. Well, that's my thinking anyway. Let's start. So, I don't know how this video is going to be turning out. It was only me doing me, but I'm going to get there. I am literally stoked about this. Come on, let's go back. Was that rain? Put the end here. I'm going to trim it at a line so it matches the indicator. Hey, I'm happy with that already. Now it says start at one end like that, to the back of the car. Hold this 12 it up, use this 12 it up. I'm going to put it down here. It's starting to rain. As you can as you can see, it's starting to freaking rain. Yep, the rain stopped. So now we can get back on to what we're doing. As you can see, I've started off at the top, and I've used the top of the tape as a template. Come down there, and I've gone to the back and I've done the same. So I'm hoping now, once I peel it off, the white line I can edge up against the body line, and it should be straight and true. That's the hope. The thing is, I can hear Lacey coming. If you ever check Lacey out, there's an old playlist just like that. As here. I just want to make it clear I'm no body shop guy or sticker guy in that sense. But the aim is just keeping it on that line of where you sort of want it, and not really going from that. I found just doing that, if you're out this side and you just pull it back, it should keep everything in line for you. It should. When you're doing this, you realise the line to the car at the front is quite straight back there. When you get to the front, the car sort of, the body line sort of goes down a bit. Now I'm going to be real honest. This is a bit I've been dreading the most, because you've got this bit here, and I don't want to go all the way over the wing or the fender. What I'm going to do is here, is cut here, just there. I don't want it to go over the wing or the fender. Never put any stickers on this scale before. I'm really happy. I'm going to get a stand now, cut in between my doors and fold them back. Address the front. I'm going to peel all the clear topping off, and I'm going to find out together how good or not so good this is going to turn out. But at the minute, I think that's positive. It's really positive, really happy. Now I'm going to make sure it's all rubbed in. Peel. Here, what I'm going to do is put that bit like so. And sort of So that's like one side done. I'm really happy with that. I've never done this before. It's so good for me, to see. They don't really stand out. Here it is coming loose around the door gap. So what I'm going to do is get the heat gun out and give it a flash with some heat. So I've got my heat gun, I've got some keys, and what I'm going to do is use the edge of the keys to plod it around. Look, I ain't trying to start a fire or nothing, so you don't need that much heat. I'm just trying to stop it from peeling. Like that. Give it a bit of heat, just until it starts to curl up. Just so that forms right. Car on my table, I did buy the cheapest Pinstripes I could buy. It's like, feels like £5, which is like McDonald's money, ain't really. And now it's done, I've made a good job. I wish now I'd have brought a bit more expensive product. It's working, but then again, I do want my old car painted at one point. So then maybe I'll get the really good, expensive pinstriping. I'm really happy about that. So this has been after and before. If you like this content, please like, subscribe and comment. But until next time, thanks for watching. Bye bye.